Meaning of direct deposit.
Direct deposit.
Direct deposit.
Direct deposit.
Direct deposit. Direct deposit is a method of payment where money is electronically transferred to an individual's bank account. This can be done by an employer, government agency, or other organization that owes the individual money. Direct deposits eliminate the need for a physical check to be issued and deposited, saving time and potential errors in processing payments. The funds generally become available in the recipient's account on the same day as the deposit is made, providing quick access to the funds without the need for physical handling.